Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe. Today, we are going to see a history lesson towards history. The topic is towards history. Without any delay, let's get into the class. Today, we are going to discuss on the topic invention of wheels. Can you repeat after me, children? Invention of wheels.
Today, I'm going to show you some vehicles, children, and you're going to tell me what is common in them. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, it's a motorbike. And this one is a car. And this one is a bicycle. Can you tell me what is common in them, children? Yes, it's the round object is called as wheels. These round objects are called as wheels. These wheels help the vehicles to move from one place to another. These wheels helps the vehicles to move from one place to another. Today we are going to see how the wheels are invented. Can you see how the wheels are invented, children? Can you see how they are developed? Yes, today we are going to see the invention and the development of the wheels. Early humans carried load from one place to another place, and they found it was very difficult to carry loads from one place to another place. Then they used animals to carry loads from one place to another place. And it also was difficult for them to carry. Later, they acquired round shape. Humans observed them, and thus wheel was invented. In the beginning, it was made of stone and later by wood. This was the first scientific invention.
When they used stones, it was heavier and it is also difficult for the early humans to move the object from one place to another. In the beginning, when they used stones, it was difficult for the early humans to carry the loads from one place to another. So, early humans decided to use logs as a wheel to move from one place to another. They cut the log in cylindrical shape and made a hole in the center and then used it as a wheel. There was no record of how the wheel was invented, but generally understanding it is the early mankind discovered the logs could be used as a roller to move larger objects around. And now we are using lighter and enabling vehicles to move faster.
Next, we are going to see about pottery. Pottery was also one of the greatest invention of humans. I have a friend to tell something about pottery. Let's listen to it.
Hello friends, I am glad to meet you and tell few interesting things about me. I am a pot. The place where I was made is also called as pottery. Pottery is also referred to the art or craft of a potter. Early humans made me. They also invented many utensils out of clay. Do you know how they make me? They use clay and put me into a wheel. You know about wheel, no, friends? Yes, they put me into the wheel and then they will mold me and they'll heat me to a high temperature and finally I'll be strong and I'll look beautiful. So, this is how early humans invented many utensils through pottery process. They made different types of utensils and used it for many purposes, especially to store food. Bye friends, see you in next class. Early humans made pottery as they need vessels to store grains, liquids, and cooked food. Humans learned to make a clay pottery, which was shaped by hand and then baked in fire. The pottery wheels enable them to make a pot in different shape and size in much lesser time. Did you understand by the pottery making, children? Super. Yes. Stone Age people made all the household artifacts by themselves. They made all the utensils by themselves. Yes, it is interesting, no? We'll learn few more details about this in next class. And in the next class, we are also going to discuss about the agricultural activities of early humans. Along with this video, you will be receiving a Kahoot session, children. Play and enjoy it. Thank you, children. Meet you in next class.